How to access audiomask.co. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your device. Audiomask.co works smoothly on most browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, so you don't need any special software. Next, in the address bar, type audiomask.co exactly as it is and press enter. This will take you directly to the Audiomask online audio editor homepage without any downloads or installation. Once the site loads, you will see the audio editing interface right away, ready to start your project. You can either create a new audio file or upload an existing one by clicking on the file menu at the top left corner. If you want to save your work, click on File and then Export to download your edited audio in your preferred format like WAV or MP3. Audiomask is a free and open source tool, which means you can use it for audio editing anytime without needing to create an account or pay anything. Also, the interface is quite user-friendly, so even if you are new to audio editing, you can easily experiment with its features like trimming, cutting, effects, and more. Finally, remember that since Audiomask runs fully in your browser, all your audio files and edit happens locally on your device, ensuring your privacy and fast performance. And that's it. Now you know how to access audiomask.co. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.